This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the card type and the reader compatibility. This prevents format or speed mismatches. Once done, power the host device off or place it in a safe state to avoid data corruption and static shocks. Insert the card with the notched edge oriented as shown on the slot. Gently push until it clicks. You do this because correct orientation ensures contact with pins and reduces the risk of bending or shorting the reader's connectors. With the card seated, connect the Onn SD card reader to your computer using the proper cable, USB-A or USB-C, so the host supplies power and negotiates speed. Once connected, watch for the system notification or audible ping indicating driver initialization. This step matters because it confirms the reader and host agreed on protocol and power. Open your file manager and verify the new mount name or drive letter. If it appears, you can access files. If not, try a different port or reinsert the card. Now transfer files by dragging and dropping or using a copy utility. Do not move files that are currently open because that risks corruption. When transfers finish, use the operating system's eject or safely remove command before unplugging to flush caches and complete writes. If the card is unreadable or shows errors, make sure the adapter isn't loose and test the card in another reader or device. Then run your OS disk utility to repair files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.